to be reading Little Blue Truck. Horn went beep, engine poured, friendliest sounds you've ever heard. Little Blue Truck came down the road. Beep, said Blue to the big green toad. Toad said croak and winked an eye when Little Blue Truck went rolling by. Toad crossing. Sheep said baa, cow said moo, Wink said a piggy, Beep said blue. Cluck said a chicken, and her chick said peep. Ma's said a goat, Blue said beep. Neigh said a horse, Quack said a duck, Beep said the friendly Little Blue Truck. Honk! Yelled the dump truck, coming through. I've got big important things to do. I haven't got time to pass the day with every duck along the way. Vroom! Went the dump truck around a cove. He saw a puddle and tried to swerve. Into the mud rolled the big fat truck, and his big important wheels got stuck. His heavy-duty dump truck tires were sunk down deep in the muck and mire. Honk! Cried the dump truck, and he sounded scared, but nobody heard him. Nobody heard when nobody cared. Then, into the mud, bump, 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 came the Little Blue Truck to help the dump. Little Blue pushed with all his might. Now Blue and the dump were both stuck tight. Help, help, cried the Little Blue Truck. Beep, beep, beep. I'm stuck. Everybody heard that beep, beep, beep. The cow came running with the pig and the sheep. Up at a gallop ran the brown horse. Goat jumped over the fence, of course. Then he came flapping with the chicken, the duck. Then everybody pushed the Little Blue Truck. to head and lump to lump. They all pushed Blue, who pushed the dump. They couldn't quite budge that heavy load. Then who hopped up but the big green toad? All together, 1, 2, 3, the last push and the trucks were free. Thanks, little brother, said the dump to Blue. You helped me, and they helped you. Now I see a lot of depends on helping hand from a few good friends. Beep, said Blue. Who wants a ride? Everybody scrambled on inside. Oink, quack, ba, moo, cluck, peep, neigh, croak, ma. Beep, beep, beep. The end.